Booking the NAATI CCL examination online is a 4-step process. In the first step, you need to create your My NAATI account by going to naati.com.au. Once you've created and registered for the My NAATI account, then you need to submit an application online by going to your My NAATI portal. And once you've submitted an application, you need to wait until NAATI reviews the application. And once NAATI decides that you're eligible to submit the application, then you go to stage 3, which is where you select a test date and you make the payment of $800. So once you've made the payment and you select the test date in the third step, then you wait for an email from NAATI. So this is the email with the Microsoft Teams link. So in the fourth stage, once you receive the link for Microsoft Teams, you just need to click on the link to join the test. So let's have a look at these steps in detail. So first, let's go to NAATI's website, naati.com.au. Now there are 2 ways you can create your My NAATI account. First, by clicking on the login button on the top, or second, by scrolling down to the footer menu and by clicking on the My NAATI tab. So for this video purpose, I'm just going to click on the login button. And then here you just click on register. Click here to register, and now you click on sign in if you create an account already. So just click on register and then enter your email address and confirm, and then hit the register button once you do that. All right, now complete the rest of the details and then click register again. That's it. So now you should have received an email from NAATI with a temporary password which you need to use to log in the first time into My NAATI. So that's the email with the temporary password, as you can see here. So you need to go back to your My NAATI portal, click login, use the temporary password to log in for the first time, and then you will be given the chance to create a new password that you want to. So let's do that. Click here again and sign in with the password from that email for the first time. Okay, so once you're in, again, you need to use the same first password in current password, and under new password, just type any password you desire. Just make sure that it is at least 10 characters. Okay, so now I've changed my password, I've logged in, and this is My NAATI portal. From here, I can update my details, I can manage my test, I can change my password, or I can submit an application. Now, if you go to manage my test, you can see it says no test here because I have not submitted any application. So let's do that. Click on submit an application, and then you can see there are different tests available for us to book, but we only need credentialed community language testing, CCL, the second one in the first row. So let's click on CCL testing. Okay, now we need to complete this form. So in the first part of the form, you need to fill out your details here with your email address, custom number, and then you have language, select the language, select the test location, and then under attachments, you need to upload your passport and ID. Once you fill out the details here, you can see that you get 3 options that ask us why are we taking the test. Make sure to click on the third one that says to obtain credentialed community language points, not the first 2, only the third one. So you can just select online testing from the location because all the tests are conducted online. And you can see all the different test sessions available. You know, they say nearly full. It's very hard to get the test for NAATI. Anyways, these are only read-only, meaning you cannot select the test sessions now. You will be able to do it after you make the payment. So let's go back and click continue. Now just simply attach your photo. You can click on the link and it will show you the requirements. So please read this in your own time. Attach your photo and then attach your password for ID purpose. So I'm just going to do that. Okay, that's it. Now your form has been submitted. You will not be able to select the test sessions straight away because you have to wait a few days. Nati will go through applications, and once Nati decides that you are eligible to book the test, you will receive an email with further instructions. So this is the email that I was talking about. You can see the title of the email is "Your application has been submitted." This is just the application submission confirmation only. Now you can see it says what happens next. Nati will begin processing your application. So we just need to wait here until we receive another email. So let's go and have a look at the next email after this one. So this is the email here. Now it says please select a test session. So it means that we can now go back and log into My Nati portal, and we should be able to select the test sessions and make the payment. So let's go to our My Nati portal. Okay, so now this time we need to click on manage my test, not submit the application, because we've done that already. So click on manage my test, then select test session. Right, so these are the sessions that we can actually book, unlike the previous ones. Be aware these times are Australian Eastern Daylight Saving Times, meaning the Sydney, Melbourne, Canberra time zone. So click on the test sessions you want to book and just make the payment using your card. So I'm just going to put in my card details. Alright, and then finally, once you've done that, agree to the terms and conditions. As it says here that if you cancel the test within 7 days, fee will not be refunded. If it's cancelled before 7 days, then you get 75% of the refund. Then finally, click finish. That's it, your application has been submitted. Now you've made the payment. Now all you need to do is wait to get another email from Nati with the actual Microsoft Teams link, which I'll show you now. So this is the application. Again, this is not the final email. Sorry, this is not the final email. This is the email that I received after I made the payment. It does have the location that says Microsoft Teams, and there's a hyperlink which is clickable. However, that's not the final email. Okay, so that's the final email. You can see there is a calendar, the test time, everything is there. You just need to click on the Yes tab next to the calendar, and the Microsoft Teams link is down at the bottom. Microsoft Teams link, join in your computer or your mobile application. So that's the link. You need to save this link. Right, so when you click on that join Microsoft Teams link that I showed you previously, you get three options. You could either download the Windows app if you have not already, or if you do not want to download anything, click on continue on this browser. So it will just open the Teams on your browser, or if you have already downloaded in your computer, you just click on the third option. So for now, I'm just going to click on continue on this browser, which is not recommended, but just for this video only. Okay, so straight away it's opened the Teams link and it's asking for the permission for the microphone. So you must click allow if you're using the browser. So once you click that, you should be able to see your video here, and with all the settings to change your microphone and your video and your microphone and your speaker, and you need to click on the join now button to join the test. Now if you can also download the Windows app, and if you do download, you should be able to see the downloaded file on the bottom left corner. You just need to click on that link, and then you'll be able to join the Teams meeting or join the CCL test online. And that's how you book the test online. It's pretty easy. Please make sure that the final email from Nati you should receive at least 2 to 3 days before the actual exam. But if you have not received, you made the payment already, you only have 2 or 3 days, still no email from NITE with the Microsoft Teams link, then in that case you should email them right away. If you face some issues while booking the test online, feel free to contact us by emailing at info@nepalinite.com.